Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we're gonna learn about vector landscape and how to create it. So vector landscape is this guys, vector landscape. So it's have also a website that's called Veectzey. I provide you the link below description. Okay, you can practice with them. Now we're gonna create new, and the size is 1600 and height is 1200 pixel, resolution 300, color mode RGB color. Okay, we named and titled to vector landscape. Okay, let's create it. We got the document here and we need the land for landscape. First of all, we go for the lasso tool and create a new layer, and we now create a land. So let's draw land. We draw from here because we need a straight land line that's like this. If we started from middle, we don't get the straight line. Okay, now for the color, we go with color. We go color hunt, and you can search for coffee color, and a coffee color palette is this, and we here need the color. Okay, I got the color and I copy it, then paste it in the color section, and for give the color we need to press Alt delete for the foreground color, and the background color we need Control delete. Because our color is in foreground color, so we now press Alt delete. So our color has given. To remove the selection, press Ctrl D, then is move into the middle. Okay, we see, place it here and then create a new document, and we go for the tree, and we need the birds and also tree. So for brushes, we go to the Brusheezy. The links also provide in description. We search for tree. Okay, we got this tree brushes, and they are premium. We can download it, that's free. Okay, let's download. After download, we get the file of zip file. Here we go, and right click, extract to concept tree brush, and then extracting, got the file. And Photoshop need the ABR file. Okay, then go to Photoshop and also create a layer. Go to brush settings and import brushes, and go for the tree brush what you download. That's the tree brush, and Photoshop need this ABR file load. When you load a brush, that comes into the bottom here. Okay, we got the brush, and then take a brush. Which one is good? And I thought that first one is the good. Okay, I take this, and we are in a new layer, and for size big and small, we use the third bracket for small and big. Okay, then click once. Okay, I got the tree. Next step for brush, also create 3 layers. We need 3 birds. Go the Brusheezy and search for birds. I have the brushes, so I don't download it. If you don't have the brush, you can download it. Okay, click the free download. You got the download here. When you download, you get this file. First of all, you get this file, then you extract it, and you got this file, and Photoshop need this files. And then you go brush and brush settings, then import brushes. We load the birds brush, And you know, as you know that the loading file is in the bottom, we take a brush, that's go with this. Okay, take this and let's small it, and now just click one click and it goes to the new layer. And to rotate it, we use the arrow key, the left arrow for left rotate, right arrow for right rotate. Okay, we got the brush, we got the top section. Now we create a bottom section. So to select all the top sections subjects and then Ctrl C, press Ctrl V. When you press Ctrl V, then Ctrl T to transform, right click, flip vertical. You need to press Ctrl T, flip vertical, then you place it on the bottom of the top section. Okay, now create it little bit smaller. A shadow is not straightforward, that's like this. That's not like shadow because that's too hard. So first of all, you have two ways to create a shadow. We can release the opacity. Okay, here the opacity. Now that's looking for shadow, but there's some bugs in it, so we can fix it. We the Ctrl G to group it, then place it in bottom, then create a new layer, go for the brush, and we let's generate brush. We need the soft brush, don't hurt brush, soft brush, and the color is white. Then drag it and over the bottom design. When the brush is full, then release the opacity. Then like the is shadow, we need 50% opacity. Okay, now our shadow and bottom side is created, all is created. Now we need the background. For background, let's create a new layer, and we need a rectangular shape. Create a rectangular shape and its have a stroke, release it and give the gradient. We need the 5 gradients, 6 gradients. So first of all, we need the color, that's blue, like this. Okay, I can go with this, and then the copy it, Ctrl C, and then also this way, Ctrl V. Okay, now we need a white, then click it and color to white. Okay, got this. And now this middle have a yellow, then click this and create yellow color. Now copy it and give also in this side. Okay, our good gradient is here. The yellow color is so hard, we take a smooth color. Okay, we can go with this. Now our background also created. The white is okay. all of these are created, and now we need to place it in down. I got this. And the last step for giving this stars, create a new layer and then go to brush, and of the general brush you can go the special effect brush. In Photoshop it's a default brush. Okay, it's in the order of 4. Then we want 2 3 number of 3 brush, then brush it. Don't give rather white color, give it on white because the star is also white, and then brush it. Be aware the layer is in bottom. If the layer is in top side, then all the brushes is sitting around. So take is the background top. Okay, now our design is ready, and you can create like this so nice vector landscape. Here we go. Now you can save it and place it in a mockup. Okay, bye, Allah Hafiz.